So we celebrated Layla's 14th birthday yesterday, and at the end of the night, I asked her, "What are your fitness goals for this year?" And she immediately replied, "I want to be strong enough to crush a watermelon." For those who don't know, it's like a TikTok trend. So I was like, okay, cool, is that it? And she said, no, I want to be better at volleyball. She's actually part of her high school volleyball team. She's really good. These are amazing goals, especially for a teen. It's fun and there's a purpose behind it. Which got me thinking, I just turned 37 a couple weeks ago, and I didn't really set any specific goals in mind for this year. Aside the fact that I want to stay healthy and strong for the rest of my life, I don't have any specific goals, which are so important. I'm driven every single day by my why. I'm able to get into the gym or do something at home easily because I know that it's so important and I have my reason deep down inside. But when it actually comes to a tangible goal, I need to set one. And we all need to constantly set little goals, big goals, but always have a goal set that you're trying to attain. For me personally, this year I want to get a better time in the Spartan race, at least better than last year. I'm also joining a 10K. I want to do that in about an hour. Kathleen and I have a photo shoot this summer and we want to feel confident in them. And of course, as I'm getting closer to my 40s, I want to continue to maintain this strong, healthy lifestyle. So all my workouts are gonna revolve around these goals. So when you're kind of there stumped, wondering what workouts you should do, what's your workout plan, think about what goals you wanna set, make them realistic, of course, and create a path to achieve those goals. It could be as simple as I wanna be able to walk for longer, I wanna be able to go on a hike with my family, play with my children, my grandchildren without having my back hurting. Your why is what you keep close to your heart. Deep down inside is the reason why you show up every single day. For example, mine, or at least one of them, is I don't want to take this health and life for granted, and I want to be able to maximize everything I can while I'm here and healthy. That's why I continue training, but also have goals. And those goals is what's going to help you stay consistent. Every time you reach a new milestone, set a new goal, and just keep going for the rest of your life. That's what we do in our family. Please join us, set goals. Let me know what your goals are this year.